and Assalamu alaikum to everyone. The field of statistics is the science of learning from data. So in this video I will provide a basic overview of data and types of data. By the end you will have a clear understanding about the different kinds of data with the help of examples. Data को understand करने के लिए हमें सबसे पहले observation को समझना होगा. तो सबसे पहले हम start करते हैं. What is an observation? Anything that can be measured, count or observed, it is called an observation. In statistics, an observation is simply one occurrence of something you are measuring. किसी भी फील्ड से मुतल्लिक इंफॉर्मेशन को रिकॉर्ड करना ऑब्जर्वेशन कहलाता है. ये इंफॉर्मेशन न्यूमेरिकल और नॉन न्यूमेरिकल स्केल्स पर मेजर्स की जा सकती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल किसी भी कॉलेज में स्टूडेंट्स की हाइट को मेजर करना चाहते हैं तो हर स्टूडेंट की हाइट एक सिंगल ऑब्जर्वेशन कहलाती है. इफ अ डाटा सेट कंटेन्स द हाइट ऑफ 7 डिफरेंट स्टूडेंट्स, so here are total 7 observations. Now data is defined as numbers or measurements that are collected as a result of observations. Observations के नतीजे में जो भी फैक्ट्स और फिगर्स एज अ रिजल्ट हम कलेक्ट करते हैं डाटा कहलाते हैं. फॉर पर्पज ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिकल एनालिसिस data can be further classified into 2 categories. Number 1 qualitative data and number 2 quantitative data. Awareness of these approaches can help in the data collection methods for successful data analysis. It is important to understand the key difference between qualitative and quantitative data because this affects the statistics that can be produced. Qualitative data. Qualitative data are the observations that are non-numerical. It expressed in terms of language rather than the numerical values. Non-numerical means label or names used to identify an attributes or characteristics of an element. किसी भी एलिमेंट की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को लेबल और नेम के जरिए आइडेंटिफाई करना या किसी भी एट्रीब्यूट्स की प्रेजेंस और एब्सेंस की बुनियाद पर डाटा को मुख्तलिफ ग्रुप्स और कैटेगरीज में तकसीम करना क्वालिटेटिव डाटा कहलाता है. To better understand qualitative data, let's take some examples. Number 1 gender. Gender is categorized as male and female. Number 2 religion. Islam, Hinduism, Christianity are some categories of religion. Number 3 documents. Documents can come in variety of forms like handbooks, calendars, posters and emails. Quantitative data. Quantitative data are the observations measured or count on a numerical scale. ऐसा डाटा जो measurable हो या countable हो quantitative data कहलाता है. Quantitative is equal quantity. When we want to know the quantity or amount of something, we ask questions starting with how much and how many. How much is mostly used with uncountable noun and when we want to know the price of something. तो इससे पता चला uncountable noun से मुतल्लिक डाटा measurable होता है. How many is mostly used with the plural countable noun. Uncountable nouns और plural countable noun किस तरह से quantitative data produced करते हैं examples की मदद से समझते हैं. Examples of uncountable nouns. Number 1 time. How much time do you have to finish food? Number 2 sugar. How much sugar would you like in your coffee? Number 3 milk. How much milk in the fridge? Number 4 money. How much money did you spend? It is important to note that money is not a countable noun. It behaves in the same way as the other uncountable nouns. So here time, sugar quantity, amount of milk and money are continuous in nature. Examples of countable nouns. How many people works in your company? How many chairs are there in the room? How many pieces of chocolates would you like? Here number of people, chairs and pieces of chocolates are the discrete observations that are countable. All of the above examples are associated with quantitative data. So we can say that quantitative data further classified into two categories: discrete data and continuous data. Discrete data whose possible values are countable, whereas continuous data whose possible values are uncountable and assume any value within an interval. Examples of discrete data include number of students in a classroom, shoe size, the number of workers in a factory. Examples of continuous data include area of a college, height of a man, amount of milk. In next lecture, I will illustrate how we can gather the different kinds of data and how to analyze them. तो मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू सो मच.